2 million wild boars released into the desert. Ibrahim Traoré. A sight no one expected and a story no one believed. They call it the Boar Experiment, a daring attempt to make the desert breathe again. To break the hardened soil, to spread forgotten seeds. To turn dust back into life. And at its heart, a vision carried by a young leader who became a symbol, a voice that said, Africa must rise by its own hands. His name echoes across the Sahel. Ibrahim Traoré, a reminder that sovereignty is not just about borders, but about the land beneath our feet. Boar is not only a simple livestock model, but also a strategy for protecting and developing forests. Wild boar, with their ability to find natural food in the forest, will help improve soil quality while creating a habitat for many other animal species. Animal groups will be regenerated in a healthy forest environment, contributing to maintaining the biodiversity of the area. To build a wild boar breeding and care infrastructure, a team of engineers and farmers were trained. Forest furnaces and wild boar breeding areas were established. The right to heal it, feed from it, and guard it as ROW&I. In every step of these wild creatures, there is a question, ancient and urgent: can chaos restore balance? Can freedom itself take root in the sand? It began as a rumor, a whisper carried by the wind across the Sahel. They said wild pigs were being brought back to the desert. Not for meat, not for hunting, but for the soil itself. At first, people laughed. Some said it was madness. Others called it divine. But when the first convoys arrived, endless trucks rumbling through the dunes, laughter turned to silence. From sunrise to sunset, gates opened, and a tide of wild boars poured into the sand. Thick bodies, black hair streaked with dust, eyes glinting like amber under the burning light. They moved as one, a living storm. Their hooves thundered through the dry earth, their snouts tearing open the crusted soil. Dust and heat rose in waves, until the air itself seemed alive. The plan, they said, was simple: let nature fix what machines could not. No more imported fertilizer. No more chemicals poisoning the rivers. Just instinct, raw, relentless instinct. The boars would dig, churn, and scatter. They would break the hardened ground, bury seeds, drop waste rich in nitrogen, and through chaos, bring order. Boar population was spreading beyond control, crossing borders and entering protected zones. For the first time, some officials hesitated to release the next wave. When the boars began crossing boundaries from Burkina to Mali, from Niger to Chad, richer. The boars had accidentally recreated what farmers spend billions trying to simulate with technology: natural aeration. By disturbing the land, the boars were jump-starting its metabolism. The chaos they created wasn't destruction, it was circulation. The captain who let the pigs run free. Farmers discussed how to protect crops while letting the boars roam freely. The essence of the wild boar while delivering a consistent high-value food. Source: wild boars thrive on a diet that mirrors their natural feeding behavior. And T-cis what makes their meat so distinctive. On average, an adult consumes 4 ton or 6 pounds of food per day, ranging. Semi-wild boar farming offers more than forests. Each boar will be closely monitored throughout the rearing process with the goal of not only providing wild boar meat to people, but also supporting the restoration of the land and forest ecosystem. Wild boars with their natural digging and foraging abilities will help just meat production. It plays a role in conservation and land management. And cattle often dominate discussions about grazing, but wild boars bring their own ecological impact. By browsing on shrubs, weeds, and fallen crops. They help control undergrowth and recycle nutrients into the soil. However, without management, herds can overgraze and damage biodiversity, turning a benefit into a risk. From an environmental perspective, wild boars are resource efficient compared to industrial pigs. They require less concentrated feed, thrive on marginal land, and need fewer antibiotics. Farms are also investing in waste recycling systems, turning manure into fertilizer, and reducing water pollution. As climate change intensifies, their adaptability to drought and varied diets makes them a resilient livestock option. Managed responsibly, wild boar farming could become a model of climate-smart. Economically, wild boar meat commands premium value, leaner, richer in protein, and often priced higher than conventional pork. In 2020, average wholesale prices reached $89 per kilogram, surpassing beef and lamb in some markets. Demand is strongest in gourmet sectors of the U.S., East Asia. Protein-rich profile of the meat. Compared to conventional pork, wild boar meat contains less fat, more iron, and higher protein, making it especially minimizing waste. The next stage is packaging. High-value cuts are often vacuum sealed to lock in freshness and extend shelf life, while bulk meat is blast frozen for export. In Europe, some meat is dry cured or smoked to create artisanal products like wild boar salami, which can fetch premium prices in gourmet markets if factories adhere to USDA and EU hygiene standards. With strict temperature monitoring below 40° Fahrenheit during processing and storage. Labels typically include origin, weight, and certification details, giving consumers confidence in both provenance and quality. From rustic sausages to fine dining cuts, the packaging stage ensures wild boar meat is ready for kitchens worldwide. Wild boar meat has carved out a distinct niche in the global protein market for being leaner and higher in protein than industrial pork. Often marketed as a combining novelty with health appeal. In the United States, states like Texas, Florida, and California are turning overpopulated wild boars, often considered pests, into a sustainable meat source, supplying specialty restaurants and farmers' markets. In Europe, countries such as Spain, Italy, and Germany have long culinary traditions of wild boar dishes, from rustic stews to Procos-style hams. Creating steady domestic demand, globally, wild boar meat is valued